with the Gundam factory recently unveiling their full-size Gundam, there's something that's kind of obvious, but I notice not a lot of people are thinking about. The Gundam moves very slowly. And since I, who have also built giant robots in my own fashion, have been dealing with this sort of issue, I thought I would weigh in and talk about an issue I face and how it's probably affecting the Gundam factory guys. It has to do with leverage. We've got a diagram of a simple lever right here, which is a fulcrum, which is what the lever balances on, and the lever body. We have a weight right here, and we have an arrow representing the force that is applied. Now, as you apply force on this side, you can lift up to an equal amount of force on the other side. But if you double the distance between your applied force and the fulcrum, you can actually lift up to twice as much force as you exert. However, it only moves half the distance. Similarly, if you have the distance between the fulcrum and the applied force, you can only lift half of the weight, but you also go twice the distance. Here I've got a 3D model by this Pentium fellow of the Gundam 78 Mark II. The Gundam factory Gundam runs into a similar thing because when a person moves their arm 1 foot, they go through a full 90-degree rotation. However, when the Gundam lifts its arm 1 foot, because it is about 10 times as large as a person, it only moves about 10 degrees. And also because the Gundam's arms are about 10 times as long as a person's arms, what feels like 50 pounds to a person would feel like 500 pounds to the Gundam. So that creates a whole lot more issues with structure and the required motors. I'll be going into further depth about motors in another video. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and remember, always think about things before you build them. Bye-bye.